Video can increase the effectiveness of your workshops in a couple of ways. It's a technique that I've deployed both in-house on transformation programs at businesses like ITV and at the digital product consultancy Made by Many, where I was CEO. So the first is to make a summary video at the end of each workshop, which serves as a powerful playback to two audiences. The program or workshop participants, capturing the energy and enthusiasm of that particular session to take on into the next phase of work, and B, to the program sponsors, showing how much progress the participants have made. The second way is if you're running a course which you run every year and you want to run the next year with a new cohort. Making a video at the end of that year's course with the program participants, describing in their own words the benefits of that course, not only helps to attract the next year's cohort, but also to attract the investment and sponsorship to make that next year's course happen.